You're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x. This is equal to 100. So what is the value of x? If it is your first time you come across videos from this channel, please like this video so that it can be recommended to other viewers and subscribe. Now, solution here, we have that 10 to the power x is common here. So we factor out 10 to the power x. So here we'll have 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by, now 5 is common here, we factor out 5 to the power x. Again, here we'll have 1 plus 1, that is 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x is 1 plus 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x is 1. So this is equal to 100. So this is the same thing as 10 to the power x multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is the same thing as 3 divided by 5 raised to the power x multiplied by 1 plus 1. This is 2, and this is equal to 100. So let's multiply both signs by 2 over 3 by 2 over 3. So that now here 2 and 2 simplifies, and then 3 and 3 simplifies, so that we'll have 10 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x. This is equal to 100 times 2. This is 200 divided by 3. So now 10 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x, this is in the form of a to the power n divided by b to the power n, which we can express as a over b raised to the power n. So applying this exponent property, here we'll have 10 over 5 raised to the power x. This is equal to 200 over 3. So here we can simplify here by 5 1 by 5 2. So we have 2 to the power x. This is equal to 200 over 3. So to solve for the value of x, we introduce logarithm on both sides. That is log 2 to the power x. This is equal to log 200 divided by 3. So log 2 to the power x, this is actually in the form of log m to the power n, which we can express as n log m. So applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 2 to the power x becomes x log 2. This is equal to log 200 divided by 3. And therefore we divide both sides by log 2 and also here by log 2. So we simplify here, so that now x is equal to log 200 over 3 divided by log 2. So let's proceed from here. So here we have log 200 over 3 divided by log 2. So log 200 over 3, this is in the form of log a over b, which we can express as log a subtract log b. Applying this logarithm property, then x can be expressed as log 200 divided by log 2 subtract log 3 divided by log 2. The next step, we can express 200 basically as 25 times 8. So here we have x is equal to log 25 times 8, all this divided by log 2 subtract log 3 divided by log 2. So log 25 times 8, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this property, then here we'll have x is equal to log 25 divided by log 2 plus log 8 divided by log 2. Then subtract log 3 divided by log 2. So from here, we have that x is equal to, we can express log 25 as log 5 squared. 5 squared is the same thing as 25 divided by log 2. Then plus log 8 can be expressed as log 2 to power 3 divided by log 2. Subtract log 3 divided by log 2. The next step from here, we can express log 5 to power 2 by applying the power rule property as 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Then plus log 2 to power 3 as 3 log 2 divided by log 2. Then subtract log 3 divided by log 2. So log 2 and log 2 simplifies so that now x is equal to, this is the same thing as 3 plus 2. This is log 5 divided by log 2. Subtract log 3 divided by log 2. So log 5 divided by log 2 and log 3 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log A divided by log B, which we can express as log A to base B. Applying this property, then we'll have x is equal to 3 plus, now this is 2 log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that this value of x, which is 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall here, we end that 10 to power x plus 10 to power x plus 10 to power x divided by 5 to power x plus 5 to power x. This should give us a value of 100. Now we simplify this further to 2 to power x. This should give us a value of 200 divided by 3. So let's check if this is true. Let's substitute the value of x here. So we'll have 2 to power 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200 divided by 3. Now, we can express this again as 2 to power 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. This is the same, this is actually the power. This is the same thing as log 5 squared to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200 divided by 3. So let's check if this is true. Now, 2 to power 3 plus log 5 squared to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to power n minus m, which we can express as a to power n divided by a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 2 to power 3, okay, plus log 5 squared to base 2 divided by 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200 divided by 3. Now 2 to power 3 here, 2 to power 3, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 8. So we have 8 here multiplying by, now we have 2 to power, now this is the same thing as 2 to power log 5 squared to base 2 divided by 2 to power log 3 to base 2. Now 2 to power log 5 squared to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. Now applying this logarithm property, then here we have 2 to power log 5 squared to base 2, this is the same thing as 25. And 2 to power of 3 to base 2, this is the same thing as 3. So let's substitute these values. So here we have 8 times 2 to power of 5 squared to base 2, this is 25, divided by 2 to power of 3 to base 2, which is 3. And this is supposed to give us a value of 200 divided by 3. So you can see clearly 25 times 8, this is 200 divided by 3, and this is equal to 200 divided by 3. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and that affirms that the value of x, which is 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and please subscribe. Like this video and subscribe.